Hi everyone, I'm going to use a screencast-o-matic to record this video. I want to show you how to do the project north and true north in Revit. First of all, I have to use the site plan I prepare, right? And then I simplify the site plan from the surveyor to make it just like what I have right now. The most important thing you need to remember is you see the AutoCAD true north right here, the orientation, align with your true north, the true north from the surveyor. So this is how it looks of my drawing. I simplify it, I turn off some layers I don't need to have, okay? And I'm going to use this drawing, insert this drawing in the Revit. So here I open my Revit. I'm going to new project, browse, go to the right template. I'm going to use for this project construction default to US, Canada. Okay, and then I open it. And here make sure create a new project, not project template. So I click OK. Yeah, so right now I already opened it, new template, right? So by default, it shows you here is the level 1, and then I'm going to the project properties to find the orientation for this drawing. So you see here by default the Revit set is project north, but right now I'm going to make it a true north, right? Okay, so right now I'm here, and then I go to site because I'm going to do something on the site, right? So I go to the site, and then because I'm going to make true north from project north right here, so I make this drawing true north because I'm going to insert the drawing, the AutoCAD drawing, which already have the true north there. Okay, so make sure this part. Now I go to insert, link the AutoCAD. So that one, I need to go to my computer. So, so my college's computer. Here's where I save. That's the path. So in here, you don't need to modify if the AutoCAD drawing you complete is correct. So I open here. Now you zoom out. See, here is the drawing I already insert. Okay. Now I go to project north because right now I want to make this site plan align with my project north. Okay, project north. Then I go to manage. Now you see the project locations here, the third icon here. So you click on this little guy, the triangle here, rotate project north. So right now you have a few choices. I use align, select line or plan because I want to have a very specific project north. I don't choose these few options. So I come here. Now, because I have a very specific want or need, right? I can choose this line, which means that once I choose this line, my project north will be aligned with this line. Or you can choose this line. Okay, so right now it's up to the designer. Now, because for the convenience for me to draw, to make the drawing, I choose this line. So now we change already. So I click on OK. Now at this point, you can come back to properties here, orientation here, and you play around to see the true north. See? Yeah, so it changed. Now, of course, project north, right? Yeah, so you can go back to the level 1. It's right here, project north, right? So you can come here. Yeah, so it basically changed for you. So have fun playing this around.